Today we will talk about XML Sitemap. An XML sitemap is a file that lists all pages of your site with additional information about each page. Search engines use the sitemap file to crawl your site more efficiently. In this tutorial, we will explore how to install and manage XML Sitemap in Gridbox. To install the XML Sitemap app, from the dashboard navigate to Gridbox Apps. Click on the button Add New Item and select XML Sitemap. Okay, we have successfully installed a sitemap app to the site, and now we need to generate an XML file. Open Gridbox Editor. From the toolbar, select Site, navigate to the tab SEO, and enable Sitemap. Now we need to enter the site domain. Click on the toggle button Update Sitemap, and our sitemap is ready. Let's take a look. We would like to take your attention to the field domain. Entered domain should be without trailing slash at the end. It's important, otherwise, your sitemap will not be approved by search engines. But that's not all for today. After installing the XML Sitemap app, in the Page and Category SEO settings, you will find a new tab, Sitemap. Using available sitemap options, you can edit, include or exclude page or category from the sitemap file. Set Changefreq and priority. So, that's all you need to know about creating an XML sitemap file in Gridbox. Enjoy!